guys, welcome back to my video. We will eat this donut. Welcome back to my video. We will eat this donut. Eat now.
What kind of donut?
Chocolate.
What's the brand? What's the brand? Jayco. It's Jayco donut.
They cook donut. Donut. Have you tried this before?
Yeah.
So yummy. It's chocolate flavor.
Tuloy na kayong Baguio? Kailan?
Na-rescue din eh.
Kailan ma?
Saturday.
Guys, it's so yummy.
Saturday.
Mamala. Ay, Papa.
Baka
What kind of,
hapon naman
what kind of, what's that? Ito. Chocolate ball? Oh, chocolate. This is chocolate ball. It's crunchy.
Yung
This is
musi.
crunch.
Your bigote. Ayun.
Bra.
Your bigote.
Yeah. I look like that. But ito. Guys, it's so yummy.
Anong gagawin naman tinapay?
Guys, it's so yummy.
Puro kasi chocolate. Kaya naman hindi ka na makakain ng rice.
Ew, chocolate.
Mga 11:15 ligwa na kita.
Okay. So yummy, look. What is all this all up? My favorite donut. Which donut is your
Hindi
favorite?
nakataob.
So yummy, crunchy. So yummy. Hello?
Bring a lot of water, ha? Natulo pa yung kaserola.
So yummy,
Hindi
guys.
pala pwedeng paginitan.
Look, guys.
Tama?
Natulo.
Aray.
May tagos na.
Oo.
Guys, it's so yummy. Look.
Nilinis ko pa naman.
Guys, it's so yummy.
Kaya mo kaya yung kulong part niya. Walang baril.
Ito naman. Napaipit nga dyan sa notebook niyang puti.
Take mo na lang. Ay, ganyan. Para mahulog.
Oh,
Sabi mo anak
Ako
mo
lang
yung payment,
pinas-
ha?
okay.
Ilagay mo sa tape.
Ano, ito? Okay.
Ito, ha?
Yeah.
May change yan, pambili mo ng pagkain mo.
Okay.
Just tell it to your teacher, ha? Sabi
With
mo,
the chain.
I have money inside my white notebook, ha?
Oh, yes. Bye-bye, guys. See you on the next video. I'm trying to learning. Bye. See you on my next video.